doesn't like a hairstyle that's super easy, fuss-free, and most importantly, looks really chic? Hi guys, I'm Kavya and today I'm going to be showing you how I create my absolute go-to hairstyle, which is the half top knot. This is a hairstyle that I usually turn around to when I'm not really sure if I want to leave my hair open or tie it up in a bun. It basically gives you best of both the worlds, and the best part is that it's really easy to put together and you really don't need too much on you to create this look. Also, did I mention that this hairstyle is perfect irrespective of your hair length? So whether you have really short hair or long hair, this hairstyle is going to work for you. Now before we go ahead with the tutorial, if you are not yet subscribed to the BeBeautiful channel, then make sure you hit the subscribe button right away. Without wasting any further time, let's get straight into this video. You can either wear your hair straight or create some texture like I have with these soft, natural looking waves to begin this hairstyle.
To get started with this hairstyle, section out approximately 1/3 of the front of your hair. It should ideally look something like this. Then secure it with a snag-free hair tie. After your ponytail is in place, wrap the hair from the pony in a clockwise direction around the elastic to sculpt it like a knot that looks like this. Don't worry too much about this not looking really perfect right now, because you are going to go ahead with U-pins and secure the bun into place and get a desired shape of a knot that works for you.
While this is a really effortless and easy way of wearing this hairdo, you can also spruce things up by adding a little accessory onto this half top knot. I have with me this little pearl accessory, and I think it's just gonna take this really effortless, basic looking half top knot into quite a statement hairdo instantly. So yeah, let's just go on with this. So that's a wrap on this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed this hairstyle. It was so simple. Do let me know in the comment section below, how do you prefer your half top knot, with or without the hair accessory? I would love to know. And finally, don't forget to like and share this video with all your friends so they too can try this hairstyle. Until the next video, bye!